Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open up and see what's inside. We have this vegetable chopper, multifunction one-piece vegetable cutter. Says enjoy your life and attention, warnings. Alright, this is what's in the box. Hand protector, dicing blade, another dicing blade, string, stringer, brush, shredding blades, potato blade, slicing, mashing. Right. Okay, so we have gloves here, hand protector, hand protector. See on the box. Here's a blade, slightly bigger blade. Here's all the ways you can use it: dicing, slicing, shredding, potato lettuce, garlic grinder, egg separator, drain basket, brush, peeler. So here's a strainer, container, here, chocolates. You can like use this in here and go straight into the bin. You can like slice this way. See, chopper. And there's also some more blades, different types of blades. But yeah, if you're interested in this chopper, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.